Last Tuesday, I showed you why insurance claims processing is broken. 28 days, manual PDFs, humans copying numbers into spreadsheets, a $170 billion problem sitting right in your operations team. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, live, on screen, right now. Here's what we're building: a workflow where the moment a claim PDF lands in your SharePoint, it gets read by Azure AI. The claim amount gets pulled out automatically. A triage decision gets made, and the right team gets notified. Zero human touch, zero manual entry, zero delay. Let me show you how it works. So, this is our test claim: real form, real data. Customer Rahul Sharma. Claim number CLM 2026-0001. Claim type medical reimbursement from Apollo Hospital. Claim amount $819. Now, in a traditional setup, someone in your team opens this, reads it, types $819 into a spreadsheet, and then decides high priority or low priority. That's where humans make mistakes. That's where delays happen. Watch what happens when I drop this into SharePoint. The moment that file lands, the flow kicks in automatically. Step 1. When a file is created, that's our trigger. SharePoint sees the new document and wakes up the workflow. Step 2. Get file content. Power Automate picks up the actual PDF, not just the name, the full document. Step 3. This is where the magic happens. Azure AI Document Intelligence reads the entire document. It doesn't just scan for keywords, it understands the form. It finds the claim amount, $819, extracted, clean, no typos. Step 4. Extract claim amount. Our custom action pulls out exactly that number and passes it to the next step. And then, the condition. This is where triage happens. If the claim amount is above $546, true, it goes to the high priority branch. Routed immediately to your senior claims team, no waiting in queue. If it's below, false, it goes to the low priority branch. Handled in the standard workflow. $819 is greater than $546, so watch. Switch to SharePoint, show claims triage list. There it is, claim processed, $819. Priority, high. The workflow ran, the decision was made, the record was created, and I didn't type a single thing. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is one claim. What about scale? This exact workflow can handle medical reimbursement claims, exactly what we just saw. Motor insurance claims, auto triage based on repair estimate value. Life insurance payouts, flag high value claims for senior review instantly. Loan default claims, route by outstanding amount, no human involved. Fraud detection triggers, flag anomalies before a human ever sees the file. The threshold, the routing logic, the teams, all configurable. No code changes, just Power Automate. What you just watched took me a few hours to build, but it replaces days of manual work, every single day. If you're running a claims team and you're still doing this by hand, this is your sign. The full workflow breakdown, the Azure setup, and everything you need to replicate this is linked below. If this gave you ideas, share it with your head of ops, because the institutions that automate today are the ones customers trust tomorrow. See you in the next one.